What's going on? In this video, we're going to see how you can add the YouTube Shorts link to your Shopify products. Maybe you have a video of a product, you want to add that link. Here's how to do it. So I've already done it here. I'm going to go ahead and just remove that here. Delete it. Okay. So normally when you go to YouTube Shorts, you want to add your short. We have the example here. You would just click this, you would copy it, you paste it in. Let's come here. You come here, add from URL, you paste that in. You add file, but the problem is when you add that, then you get this error, media upload failed. So you actually have to change that URL a little bit because Shopify doesn't let you just paste it in. So here's how you can do it. So you see how it says shorts here? What you want to do is change it from shorts and change it to watch V equals. So I'm going to say that again. And then also take away the what is the slash? Let's take away the slash. So take out the shorts slash and replace that with watch V equals. You copy this here. Let's come back to our products here, add from URL. Now we paste this in, add from add from file, give it a second. You see it's in there now. So if you're having trouble with that, follow those steps. And if it still doesn't work, please feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help you get this set up for your website.